Hello. This quick tutorial will show you how to research a topic, or at least how to get started. Today's topic will be the Holocaust, since Forsyth Technical Community College has one of the largest repositories of resources and collections regarding the Holocaust. You can start on the library page, where you will find links for the online catalog, NC Live, and the Blinn Holocaust Collection. In the Blinn Holocaust Collection, you will find a number of online resources and links to ebooks on the Holocaust in NC Live. If we go to NC Live and search for Holocaust, a number of articles and ebooks will show up here, as well as videos. Once you've exhausted these free resources brought to you by Forsyth Tech, you can also do a Google search. When doing a Google search, be careful about the sources of your information. That's why we recommend going through NC Live or the Forsyth Tech Library. If you would like more support, please contact Library Services at 336-734-7219.